Hello guys, it's me, the Epic Pro Master here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the R68 G train. So this is one of my first unboxing videos. I hope y'all like this, and there will be more like this in future videos. So without further ado, let's get into this. So as y'all can see, yeah, I got a G train. So it seems like the G train runs from Brooklyn at Church Avenue up to Queens at Long Island City Court Square and never into Manhattan. So it tells you some information about that too. So yeah. This is gonna be an interesting video. Now let's further ado, let's unbox it. So we just unboxed the G train. So as you can see, it has the same model like the D train. So this is one of my second model of this. So yeah. So this is it either goes to Brooklyn, Queens, and it goes across town, and it's a crosstown logo. So yeah, it will. So yeah, I can see it kind of looks a lot more shiny. This was made in 2019, and how it feels is like kind of rough a little bit. But here it tells you some information about the box. So yeah. So today I unboxed the G train. I do apologize if I didn't unbox the Q train. But, sadly. But don't worry. There's I'll actually unbox more trains soon. Hopefully. Anyways, I hope y'all guys enjoyed me unboxing the G train. So don't forget to subscribe too. This helps out a lot. And thank you so much for watching, and see you later.